Number 20. Brad Pitt is an American film producer and actor from Oklahoma. We know him for his stunning performances in Seven, Fight Club, Ocean's 11 and World War Z. Brad Pitt's look has inspired countless magazine covers, and in the 90s he became Hollywood's hottest face as the sexiest man alive. Throughout his career, his company Plan B was behind movies such as Eat, Pray Love, Kick-Ass and Inglourious Basterds, which earned $320 million at the box office. In 2020, Brad Pitt's net worth is $300 million, making him one of the richest actors of all time. Number 19. Robert Downey Jr. is an American actor and singer. He is known for his incredible career as an actor. He has starred worldwide in movies including Iron Man, Sherlock Holmes, and The Avengers. His movies have sold over billions worldwide. Today Robert Downey Jr. has racked up an impressive net worth of $300 million and is ranked as one of the highest paid actors worldwide. Number 18. Will Smith is an American actor, film producer, and rapper. Smith was a millionaire before he turned 20. We know Will Smith from The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air and Men in Black films. Smith was entered into the Guinness Book of World Records for his records-breaking 3 premieres in 24 hours. Will Smith's net worth is $300 million as of 2020, which makes him one of the highest paid actors in the movie industry. Number 17. Michael Douglas is an American producer and actor from New Jersey. He has become known as one of the biggest shakers and movers in Hollywood. He was one of the most successful producers of the 90s. As of this year, Michael Douglas' net worth is roughly $300 million. He is ranked to be the 17th richest actor of all time. Number 16. Tom Hanks is an American producer and actor. We bet everybody loves Tom Hanks, right? And he has the money to prove it. Hanks has starred in worldwide films including Forrest Gump, Da Vinci Code and Angel and Demons. His voiceover as Woody in Toy Story 3 helped the movie become the highest grossing movie of the year with $1 billion in the box office. As of 2020, Tom Hanks' net worth is $350 million. Number 15. Sir Sean Connery is a retired Scottish actor and producer, who has won an Academy Award, 2 BAFTA Awards, and 3 Golden Globes. He is most popularly known as the first person to portray the legendary James Bond character. In 2020, Sean Connery's net worth has skyrocketed to $350 million, making him one of the richest actors in the world. Number 14. Keanu Charles Reeves is a Canadian actor, director, producer, and musician. He starred in numerous movies that were hits at the box office. Although, you probably know him as Neo from The Matrix, or from John Wick. As of 2020, Keanu Reeves' net worth is $360 million, which has pushed him onto the list this year, in 14th place. Number 13. Jackie Chan is a Hong Kong actor, producer, and director. He started his career as an actor at the age of 5. His amazing performances have gained him an incredible net worth. As of 2020, Jackie Chan has built a net worth estimated to be roughly $370 million, which makes him ranked at number 13 on the list of the richest actors in the world. Number 12. Clint Eastwood is an American director, producer, and actor from San Francisco. He won the Academy Award for the Best Director and Producer for his films including Unforgiven, 1992, and $1 Million Baby, 2004. Clint Eastwood has built an incredible net worth of $375 million as of 2020, which makes him ranked the 12th richest actor in the world. Number 11. Arnold Schwarzenegger began his career as a professional bodybuilder, a sport in which he is now considered an icon. However, there is a lot more money to be made in the film industry, and Arnie could smell it. As of 2020, Arnold Schwarzenegger's net worth is $400 million, and he's become one of the richest actors in the world, as well as the richest bodybuilder in the world. Number 10. Sylvester Stallone is an American actor. He created two of the biggest movies of all time that generated nearly $4 billion. Stallone is one of Hollywood's high-paid actors. We all know him from the films including Rocky and Rambo. Sylvester Stallone's net worth is estimated to be $400 million as of 2020. Number 9. Jack Nicholson is an American producer, writer, and actor from New York City. We have known him from the films The Crybaby Killer, The Raven, and The Shining. He has collaborated with some of the best actors of all time. Nicholson is ranked to be number 7 on the list with his amazing net worth of $400 million. Number 8. Amitabh Bachchan is one of the biggest names in the Indian film industry. The fortune he earns makes him to one of the richest Bollywood stars of all time. Today, he sits on the list as the 6th richest actor in the world, with a net worth of $400 million. Number 7. Adam Sandler is an American actor and film producer, who is sometimes referred to as one of the highest earners in Hollywood. Sandler became popular when one of his movies brought in $271 million at the box office. The movie made it Sandler's highest-grossing movie. Today, Adam Sandler's net worth is $420 million, making him one of the richest actors and film producers in Hollywood. Number 6. Mel Gibson is a film director, producer, and actor from New York. He is known for his performances in The Passion of the Christ, We Were Soldiers and Braveheart, which he received an Academy Award and Golden Globe for in 1995. As of 2020, Mel Gibson's net worth is estimated to be roughly $425 million, putting him on this list of the richest actors in 2020.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind.
Number 5. Robert De Niro is an actor loved by many for both his past and present work. In recent years, he's starred in films such as Meet the Fockers, Meet the Parents, The Intern, and Dirty Grandpa. However, in De Niro's early days, you might remember him from Goodfellas, The Godfather Part 2, Analyze That, Casino, and Heat. Today, Robert De Niro's net worth is estimated at $500 million. Number 4. George Clooney is an American director and actor from Kentucky. He has won several awards for his performances in Ocean's 11, Three Kings, and Syriana. Clooney has received success in multiple areas, and it has not gone unnoticed. Throughout his career, he received several awards for his movies, among other accolades. Today, George Clooney has a net worth of $500 million. Number 3. Tom Cruise is an American producer and film actor from New York. He is one of the best actors of all time. His movies have sold millions worldwide. In 2020, Tom Cruise's net worth is $570 million, making him the third richest actor worldwide.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set.
Number 2. Shah Rukh Khan is an Indian actor from New Delhi. He is mostly known as the king of Bollywood. With his 80 Hindi movies, he has received plenty of awards for his performances. Today, Shah Rukh Khan is the second richest actor in the world, with his net worth estimated at $600 million in 2020.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Number 1. Jamie Gertz is an American actress and investor, known for her early roles in films such as Twister, Crossroads, Less Than Zero, The Lost Boys, and Quicksilver. Although she's not achieved the levels of success many of the other actors on this list have, Gertz is a part owner of the NBA team, Atlanta Hawks, with her husband Tony Ressler, which is the reason for her net worth being so high. As of 2020, Jamie Gertz's net worth is estimated to be $3 billion. How many of these actors did you expect to appear on this list of the top 20 richest actors in the world? Leave a comment below.